Hey folks, Brian Emmons back with Laurel on the Square. Today we're here with project manager Dan Craig. Dan?
Brian, good to be here.
So the mat foundation started pouring at 2 o'clock in the morning. Can you give us a little idea about what that process entailed?
Brought in about 650 truckloads of concrete. We dumped a truck in about 10-15 minutes. We started in the middle of the night and we finished up just about in the middle of the night as well too.
Mat foundation's poured. On the Walnut Street side of the project, can you give us an idea of what's going to be happening in the next month?
We're going to be working on the shear wall and bringing the core climber in, which will enable us to actually carry the structure of the building as we bring the building up into the air. And we'll be installing a core climber, which is a self-climbing system that will enable us to install the concrete with slip forms and continue the building vertically. The first few slabs are going to take some time. There's some complexity in the construction of these first few floors. As soon as we get to about floor 5 or so, we'll be able to hit a systematic approach to our pours, and we'll be pouring a floor about every week or so.
The Sansom Street side of the project, give us an idea of what's happening in the excavation hole right now.
We are finishing up removing all the soil that's in the hole right now, and we are fabricating our raker beams, which are supporting the construction walls during the construction process. The raker beams are just essentially a kicker I-beam, which provides some stabilization until we get the building built, which will provide the final stabilization of our site walls.
Dan, thank you so much. For those of you watching at home, thanks. We'll see you next time on Laurel on the Square.